guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Let's make Jamaican saltfish fritters. Please stick around and watch this video. In this bowl I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of curry powder. I'm going to add some bell pepper. This is about 2 tablespoons of bell pepper chopped. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of red bell pepper chopped. Bell peppers again. And this is half of onion chopped. You can only add 1 color if you only have 1 color, but I'm just doing it because when you fry it, it's going to be so nice and colorful. And this was 2 stalks of green onion or 2 stalks of scallion, Scotch bonnet pepper, and fresh thyme. And I'm gonna add the codfish or the saltfish. I already washed the saltfish, boil it, and take out the excess salt from it. So you just want to boil this about 2 times and then wash it under cold water to get the excess salt out. And this is about ½ pound of saltfish. When preparing the saltfish, you want to try your best to get the excess bones from out the saltfish. Alright? Now I'm going to add the water to it gradually. And this is just 1 cup of water. And you're just gonna mix this well until everything is combined. Also gonna leave the measurement down in the description so you can go ahead and check that out. So this is the consistency you want. It's like a pancake batter mixture. So this is how you want it. Nice. The oil is heated and the stove is on medium low. Now I'm gonna add my fritters batter. And you can make them into any size you'd want them. You can make them big, small, or medium. So we fry them for 3 minutes on one side and we're gonna fry them for the next 3 minutes on the other side. Are done. Now I'm gonna put in the second batch. See, they're nice and beautiful. Look at these. And here you have it, guys. If you enjoy watching this video, Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and also leave me a comment down below. And this is how I make my Jamaican saltfish fritters. Look, these are nice and delicious. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye guys.